This video is just to show you guys how Apple requires you to use the AC adapter to plug in to your MacBook Air or Pro in order to achieve the clamshell mode. So the second monitor doesn't turn off. So I'm just gonna turn off my monitor here. As you can see, my external monitor is working perfectly fine. But if I unplugged the AC power adapter, see what's happened? Immediately, my external monitor shuts off. And no matter what do I do, it just doesn't turn on whatsoever. Thankfully, there is a solution to this where you can keep using your clamshell mode without using the AC power adapter plugged in and still enjoy your second monitor. And this is I'm going to show you guys how. So you will go to the App Store and type in Amphetamin, and you would go to this app and download it, which I already have. I'm just going to open it. And as soon as you open it, you can notice that there's a little icon here in the status bar, and you would click on the indefinitely. And so right now, the system is in a session, is what they call. And secondly, you would click on the unselect, the allow systems to sleep while the display is closed. So you unselect that, and this one's gonna pop out, give you a warning to tells you that you should install an enhancer, which technically helps to protect your power or somewhat. I didn't, dig into these issues. So you would click OK. So right now, everything is set. All you need to do is to close down the MacBook, which you guys would think that if I close the MacBook, of course the second monitor is going to shut off. This is not the case here because you have the app installed. So I'm just going to close here. Notice that I don't have the AC power adapter plugged in. This is my hub. This is the HDMI cable, Ethernet, keyboard, mouse, and that one is for the audio. Okay, I'm just going to close it down. Look, it works perfectly without any issues. So you don't have to use the AC power adapter anymore, because a lot of people usually concerned about the battery constantly being charged, and this is definitely a great solution that you don't have to use any script or third-party software from outside of the Apple Store. Thanks for watching.